Hi everyone. Radhe Radhe Jagrati. So how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hi Deepika. So hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. Hi Ishak. Hi Kashish. I am all good, Ishak. What about you? I am all good, Jagriti. आप बताइए आप कैसे हैं? So, let's first of all wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. To all the girls out there, happy Women's Day. Be respectful, be independent, be healthy, and be safe. So, happy Women's Day to every woman and girl out there. Thank you so much, Meera. Same to you, Meera. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Ishak. फिलहाल तो थोड़ी टेंशन में है पेपर की वजह से, तो टेंशन को दूर करो और क्वेश्चंस करो. टेंशन्स को दूर करो. So, guys, this is class 11th accountancy session and this is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having economics class at 5 p.m. with Neha ma'am, and she will be telling you the economics labor strategy, how to prepare chapter wise. So if you want to know the economics paper strategy, then do join Neha ma'am today at 5 p.m. And at 6 p.m. we will be having class 12th account session, and at 7 p.m. we will be having class 12th economics session. So this is your schedule for today. Do book your calendars at the respective times. Thank you so much, Karan. So, Vedantu Commerce, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share this with your friends. तो जिसने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please take a moment and don't forget to like this video and share this. You guys can also join our official Telegram group for, तो जिसको notes चाहिए for you want the notes ना, so you can get all the notes here of all the subject. So do join this Telegram group. The link is in the description box below. Hi Bhavesh, namaste and thank you so much. Hi Amarpreet, hi Shivani. Guys of learning with us. जल्दी से जाइए and लीजिए pro subscription because our new batches for class 12 will be starting soon. So those who want to learn in the best possible from the highly qualified teachers, all the students can get this Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing you all of these benefits. Ishak, you have to join in again if my voice is not coming properly to you. So please join again. Hi Rupina. Hi Shivani. So guys, in this pro subscription, we are providing you all these subjects. Whether it is accounts, economics, mathematics or business studies, सारी subjects आपको यहाँ provide किए जाएंगे. It's so I am back, sorry. There were some network issues. So am I properly audible and visible now? Hi Natural Beauty. So now tell me, am I clearly audible and visible to you? The voice was cracking before now. Okay. So in this pro subscription, you will be getting all these subjects, and we are a pool of 10 plus teachers with more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be teaching you. Along with that, Kashish, you have to join again if my voice is not coming. And if it is not coming, then how can you answer yes or no? अगर आपको पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि मेरी आवाज आ रही है या नहीं आ रही. It is cracking. Now it must be okay, guys. Ronak sir, is it still cracking? %20 on advertisement. You are asking the treatment in what? Financial statement. शिवानी, आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो. क्या आप उसको दोबारा लिख सकते हो? Shivani Sachdeva, I would like to read your message more clearly. Can you please elaborate that? Advertisement is debited in the P&L. Priyanshu, so if there are advertisement expense, you will record it on the debit side of P&L. So in this pro subscription, highly qualified teachers will be teaching you with more than 5 years of experience, and they will be continuously working, continuously focusing on individual student areas of improvement. हर टीचर इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट के वीकनेस पर काम करेगी. ओके मैम, लिखता हूँ. यस, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट. शिवानी सचदेवा, नाम तो ठीक से लिख लिया करो. आप लड़के हो और आप शिवानी का नाम लेके घूम रहे हो. नॉट लुक्स गुड ना. So we will be also providing you tests and assignments containing of thousands of questions, and we will be providing you more than 2000 hours of live online classes. So you can get unlimited live classes on the Vedantu platform of all these subjects. So go and get this pro subscription right now at flat 20% discount. The 1 month subscription is for 3499. The actual price for this pro subscription is 3499, and right now we are giving you flat 20% discount. So after discount, you have to pay only 2799. So Ronak sir, please can you look out at Shivani and Kashish. They are disturbing the session. Other students. So this pro subscription is available right now at flat 20% discount, after which you have to pay only 2799. So guys, go and get this pro subscription right now at flat 20% discount by using my code SCPRO, and this will surely help you in your final exams and in class 12th also. And I would love to see you all in the pro subscription. कशिश, कैमरा के उस साइड बैठकर बकवास करना बहुत इजी है. So please don't be a disturbing element in my session. अगर आपको क्लास नहीं देखनी, you can go hell out of it, but please don't disturb the students. Okay? So now coming on to the final exam, how the practical question will come in your final exam. So we are here to discuss previous year questions of the chapter Bills of Exchange. Good evening, Mehak. Hi. So as you all know that Bills of Exchange is an important chapter because one question will surely come for 4 to 6 marks. एक क्वेश्चन पक्का से पक्का आएगा, या तो 4 नंबर का या 6 नंबर का. So आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे some previous year question paper, and we will look out that how the questions will appear in the exam. Okay, Gaurav, that's why we are having the class at 4 p.m. आपका स्कूल 2 बजे तक होता है, हम क्लास 4 बजे तभी ले रहे हैं. Yes, Karan, bills of exchanges for class 11th. Yes, Ishaq, we will be doing subsidiary book also. We will be doing revision of that. I am for state board, okay? Om. Hi, Deepika Maurya. So now, without any delay, let's start this session. It's time to start this session. चलिए start करते हैं. रुपीना 8 marks के question only 2 chapter से possible है, depreciation and financial statement. So वहां से आपको 8 marks के question देखने को मिलेंगे. Yes, Gaurav. Pro subscription में also the classes will be conducted keeping your school timings in mind. तो जो भी प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन की क्लासेस होंगी वो क्लैश नहीं होंगी आपके स्कूल टाइमिंग्स के साथ, तो डोंट वरी. मैं है क्यों, इफ यू वांट टू नो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज यू कैन गो टू द प्रीवियस रिकॉर्डेड सेशन. हमने ये चैप्टर ब्रीफली कर रखे हैं प्रीवियसली, सो आप हमारे रिकॉर्डेड सेशन देख सकते हो. राइट नाउ वी आर ओनली डूइंग द प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन, नॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट. So now I want you to be very, very attentive because we are going to start with the first question which is on your screen. So let's read this question and let's start solving it. So P draws on Q 3 bills. P draw on Q 3 bills of exchange. P ने Q पर 3 bills of exchange draw करे. Hi Hintanshi, now I can see your chat. Hi Lakshay. So P draw on Q 3 bills of exchange, one for 15,000, then 12,000 and 9,000. Three bills were drawn by P on Q, 15,000, 12,000 and 9,000 respectively, for goods sold to him on 1st February 2013. कब goods sell हुए? The goods were sold on 1st February 2013. These bills were for a month, 2 month and 3 month respectively. जो due date है, the bill will mature after 1 month, after 2 month and after 3 month. So first bill, the maturity date, the due date for first bill will be 1st Feb plus 1 month. It will be 1st of March. Then you will add 3 days of grace. It will be 4th March. So the due date for first bill will be 4th March. Then for the second bill, the due date is 2 months. The tenure is 2 months. So the due date will be 4th of April. Second bill की due date क्या होगी? 4th of April. And the due date for third bill, the tenure of which is 3 months, the due date will be 4th Jan, Feb, March, May. 4th May. So these are the due dates respectively for the first bill, for the second bill and for the third bill. 4th March, 4th April, 4th May. All the best Mehak for your exam. Yes Riya, we will surely do that, but abhi ye wala chapter karte hain. We will be doing the financial statement chapter tomorrow. Kal karenge financial statement. What happened when we withdraw fake bills and withdraw money from bank? You will be having a court case on you, but that is not in your syllabus. Only the journal entries are in your syllabus right now. Yeah, sure, Ishaq. We will be doing the financial statement chapter tomorrow. Right now, I request you all to please focus on this session. You all can ask your doubts and tell me your exam dates at the end of the session, but please right now focus on this question. Otherwise, we will be not able to complete this chapter. So it's a request. सब अभी क्लास पर ध्यान दें, इसके बाद आप लोग अपने कमेंट्स बाद में लिख सकते हैं, क्लास के एंड पर करेंगे ये सब, प्लीज अभी क्वेश्चन पर ध्यान दें। सो ये आपकी ड्यू डेट्स आ गई हैं, फर्स्ट बिल की 1 मार्च, सेकेंड बिल की 4 मार्च, 4 अप्रैल एंड 4 मई। नाउ इट इज सेड दैट द फर्स्ट बिल वाज एंडोर्स्ड टू हिज क्रेडिटर। पहला बिल जो है वो एंडोर्स कर दिया है हमने क्रेडिटर आर को। The second bill was discounted with the bank on 4th February 2013 at 12% per annum. Second bill जो है वो हमने डिस्काउंट करा लिया बैंक के साथ at 12% per annum. And the third bill was sent for collection on 30th April. जो थर्ड बिल है वो हमने बैंक को भेज दिया है for collection. Now, on the due date, all the bills were duly met by Q. The bank sent the collection advice for third bill after deducting 25 as collection charges. When you receive the amount of the third bill, जो आपने बैंक को भेजा था for collection, the bill sent to bank for collection, the bank had provided the payment after deducting 75 as collection charges. So how much you will receive? You will only receive 8,925. So let's pass the journal entry first of all. First of all, we are going to pass the journal entries. So, on which date the bills are drawn? 1st of February 2013. So, these are the books of P and these are the books of Q. P will draw bill on Q. So, 1st February 2013. The journal entry in the books of P will be bills receivable account debit, bills receivable account debit, bills receivable account debit. These are the due dates, Rupina. We have calculate the due dates. I hope you know that how to calculate it. So 3 bills are drawn. So journal entry in the books of P will be BR account debit, BR account debit, BR account debit to Q's account. The amount of bill is 15,000, 12,000 and 9,000. So it will be 36,000. And Q will accept all these bills. Q will accept all these bills. So the journal entry will be P's account debit to BP account, to bills payable account, to bills payable account and to bills payable account. 15,000, 12,000 and 9,000. The total amount payable to P is 36,000. After that, it is said that these bills were for a month, 2 months and 3 months. This is the tenure, that after how many months the bill will be payable. So we have calculated the due date keeping in mind these months. हमने due date calculate कर ली 4th March, 4th April and 4th May. First bill due date is 4th March, second bill due date is 4th April और तीसरे बिल की ड्यू डेट होगी 4th May. Then it is mentioned the first bill was endorsed to the creditor R. P had endorsed the bill to R. The first bill is of 15,000. First bill is of rupees 15,000. So on 1st February 2013, the bill is endorsed to R. So the journal entry will be R account debit, endorsee account debit to bills receivable account to BR account 15,000. He endorsed the bill to his creditor R. And at this time, no entry will be recorded in the books of Q. Because उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया. So no entry will be recorded in the books of Q. Now coming on to the next. The second bill was discounted with his bank on 4th February at 12% per annum discount. Third bill is discounted with the bank on 4th February. So due date of the second bill is 4th of April. The due date of the second bill is 4th of April and it is discounted on 4th February. So there is a difference of 2 months. There is difference of 2 months. आपने बिल कब डिस्काउंट कराया बैंक से 4th February को और बैंक को पेमेंट कब मिलेगी? The bank will receive the payment after 2 months. So now we will calculate discounting charges. The second bill amount is 12,000. The discount rate is 12% per annum and the time period is 2 months. So the discounting charges are 240 rupees. The discounting charges will be 240 rupees. 4 to 6 marks, Ishaq. So the discounting charges will be 240 rupees and the journal entry. You will record the journal entry on 4th February. Bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to BR. The amount of bill is 12,000. The discounting charges charged by the bank is 240 and the remaining amount will be received by P. So 12,000 minus 240, 11,760 rupees. 11,760 rupees. And no journal entry will be charged. No journal entry will be recorded in the books of Q. Q की books में कोई भी journal entry नहीं होगी because उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया. There is no role of Q in this transaction. Yes, प्रियांशु, बैंक डिडक्ट भी करता है जब आप बैंक को कलेक्शन के लिए बिल भेजते हो क्योंकि वो कुछ सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है तो सर्विस फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट तो प्रोवाइड नहीं करेगा ना, इट विल चार्ज सम अमाउंट. So second bill on 4th February is discounted with the bank at 12% per annum. The next, it is said that the third bill was sent to his bank for collection on 30th April. On 30th April, you have sent the bill to the bank for collection. तो यहाँ पर on 30th April, you will record the journal entry in the books of. We are not required to prepare the books of R. Rupina, हमें R की books बनाने को नहीं बोला. The question is only asking the books of P and Q. So on 30th April, the bill is sent to bank for collection. So journal entry will be bill sent for collection account debit to BR 9,000. To BR 9,000. So we have recorded all the journal entry when the bill is endorsed, when the bill is discounted, and when the bill is sent to bank for collection. Now on the due dates, the bill were duly met by Q. The bank sent collection advice for the third bill after deducting 75 as collection charges. So now we are going to pass the main journal entry. The first bill due date is 4th of March. The first bill due date is 4th of March. So Q will make the payment. The journal entry will be bills payable account debit to bank or to cash. Bills payable to cash. On 4th of March, Q will make the payment. Bills payable to cash account 15,000. And no journal entry will be recorded in the books of P because P endorsed this bill to R. Q will make the payment on 4th March because the due date is 4th March, but P will not receive this payment because it is endorsed to R. तो P की बुक्स में कोई भी एंट्री नहीं होगी. Now on 4th April, the second bill due date will come. So second due date जब आएगी तब Q will again make the payment. This is the second bill due date and Q will again make the payment. Bill payable account debit to cash 12,000. Bill payable debit to cash 12,000. And similarly, at this date also, no entry will be recorded. On this date also, no entry will be recorded in the books of P because it is discounted with the bank. It is discounted with bank. So bank will receive the payment and not Q. So on 4th March and 4th April, no entry will be recorded in the books of P. And then the third bill due date will come 4th of May. 4th of May, which is sent to the bank for collection. So Q will make the payment. Bill payable account debit to cash. Bill payable account debit to cash 9,000 and 9,000. And on this date, 4th May, on this date, P will pass the journal entry because this bill was sent to bank for collection. So P will pass this journal entry. Bank debit, he will receive 8,925 rupees. Bank charges debit 75 rupees because bank has charged 75 for collection. Bank has deducted 75 for collection. So bank charges is an expense you will debit. 2 bills sent for collection 9,000. So this is the journal entry on May 4 when the P will receive the amount of the third bill. He will receive 8,925 rupees because bank ने 75 rupees charge करे हैं. करण सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है तो सर को बंद कर लीजिए, समझ आ जाएगा. समझने की कोशिश करोगे तो बिल्कुल समझ आएगा. अगर आपने पहले मुझसे क्लास ली होगी देन ओनली. So tell me guys, is this clear? अगर आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजैक्शन में डाउट है करण, देन यू मे आस्क इट, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. करण अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजैक्शन में डाउट है, कोई पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजैक्शन समझ नहीं आई तो आप दोबारा से पूछ सकते हैं. Boss, I can't explain it right now because this is not related to this chapter. Priyanshu, are you asking something? Boss, you can only ask your doubts related to this chapter right now. So, there were 3 bills in this question. तीनों के तीनों बिल P ने Q के ऊपर ड्रॉ करे We have recorded the journal entry when the bill were drawn and the bill were accepted. Now, first bill was endorsed 2R. We passed the journal entry for that. Second bill was discounted with the bank. We passed the journal entry for that also. And third bill was sent to bank for collection. We recorded the journal entry for that also. Now the first bill will mature after 1 month, second bill will mature after 2 months, and third bill will mature after 3 months. So on due date, Q had paid all the bills. All the bills were met by Q. So we have recorded the journal entry in the books of Q. On 4th March, first bill. On 4th April, second bill. On 4th May, third bill. Q made the payment on all the due dates. But at the time of due date of first and second bill, no entry was recorded in the books of P because pehla bill is endorsed to, first bill is endorsed to R. So amount will be received by R and not Q. So we have not recorded any journal entry on 4th of March in the books of P. And second bill is discounted with the bank. So on 4th April, bank will receive the payment, not P. Therefore, we have not recorded any journal entry in the books of P. So this was your question. And on the third bill will mature on 4th May. Q has made the payment and P will also receive the payment of this. P has received the payment of this one because it was sent to the bank for collection. So this is your journal entry. Bank account debit, bank charges account debit, 2 bills sent for collection in which bank has charged 75 as amount. April 30 में Priyanshu, please make your concept strong. The drawee will make full payment. Drawee तो बैंक को पूरी पेमेंट करेगा ना. अगर आपने बैंक से 11,760 रुपीज लिए हैं तो इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि ड्रॉई जो है बैंक को उतने ही अमाउंट पे करेगा. ड्रॉई विल पे फुल अमाउंट टू बैंक. उसको कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलता ड्रॉई को. वो सिर्फ ड्रॉर को कट के मिलता है क्योंकि बैंक अपनी कमीशन काटता है. सो नो चार्जेस विल बी डिडक्टेड व्हेन ड्रॉई मेक पेमेंट टू द बैंक. ड्रॉई हैज टू मेक फुल पेमेंट. ड्रॉई को फुल पेमेंट करनी होती है. भावेश, 1 month means 1 month. You are not counting the days here. There is a lot of difference in days and a month. The due date is 1 month, 2 months and 3 months. So you will not look at days in that. Now coming on to the second question. I hope that this question is clear to everyone. अब चलते हैं second question पे. And this is your second question. I request you all to please read the question and then I will read that. You're welcome, Priyanshu. So now I am reading the question. X sells goods for 40,000. X sells goods for 40,000 to Y on 1st January 2018. And on the same day, draw a bill on Y at 3 months. The bill is drawn for 3 months. Y accept it and return it to X, who discounted it on 4th January with his bank at 6% per annum. X discounted the bill on 4th January with the bank at 6% per annum. So first journal entry will be, first of all, read the requirement of the question. The question is saying that make journal entries to record these transactions in the books of Y. Make journal entries in the books of X, sorry. You have to pass the journal entries only in the books of X. We are not going to prepare the books of Y. So first journal entry will be Y account debit to sales. Y account debit to sales 40,000 and 40,000. On same date, the bill was drawn. So journal entry will be bills receivable account debit to Y 40,000 and 40,000 on January 1st. The bill was drawn. Now on 4th January, X discounted the bill with the bank at 6% per annum. X discounted the bill with the bank at 6% per annum. So 40,000 multiplied by 6 upon 100 multiplied by 3 by 12, because the maturity date is after 3 months. So you will calculate the discounting charges. It is 600. The discounting charges are 600. So the journal entry will be bank account debit, discounting charges account debit to bills receivable. Bill is of 40,000. Discounting charges calculated at 600. So X will receive 39,400. X will receive 39,400. This is the journal entry when the bill was discounted with bank. Now it is said that the acceptance is dishonored on the due date. The bill got dishonored on the due date and noting charges were paid by bank 200. The bill that X has discounted with the bank, that bill is dishonored. So now what will be the journal entry for dishonor? Let's see who is going to tell me this answer. Which student will answer me that? So let's see who is brilliant here. कौन कौन इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे यहाँ प्रेजेंट हैं? If the bill got dishonored that you have discounted with the bank earlier, what will be the journal entry on the date of dishonor? So I am waiting for your response, guys. Please answer it quickly. Okay, we have one answer, Kushal. What about others? Are you guys there in the session or not? Monica had already also answered. Wise account debit to bank. So yes, you both are correct. Well done, Kushal and Monica. Only you guys are attentive in the session. जो बच्चे सो रहे हैं वो कृपया करके उठ जाए, बिकॉज आपका एग्जाम ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. So journal entry will be Y's account debit to bank. Why? Because drawer will pay to the bank. X will make payment to the bank. So he will credit bank account and this amount he will take from Y. He will take from drawer. So Y's account debit. He will take from Y account debit and he will pay to bank. So the amount will be 40,000 of the bill and 200 of noting charges. So he will pay total 40,200 to bank. So this journal entry will be passed on the due date, that is 4th April. On 4th April, we will pass the journal entry Y account debit to bank account 40,200. Now it is said that on 4th April 2018, on the due date, Y accept a new bill. Y accept a new bill at 3 months for the amount then due to X, together with the interest at 12%. Y is asking X to draw a new bill on him together with interest at 12%. So first we will pass the journal entry for interest. Y account debit to interest. पहले हम लोग इंटरेस्ट की एंट्री पास करेंगे, उसके बाद हम बिल ड्रॉ करेंगे. So what will be the amount of interest? 40,000 multiplied by 12 upon 100 multiplied by 3 months. So it will be 12 to 12 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel, it will be 1200. The amount of bill will be, interest will be 1200. Alok, एक बार हाई करने से I can see it. Please don't spam the chat box. So the amount of interest will be 1200. So Y account debit to interest account 1200. And then you will draw the new bill. Then X will draw the new bill. So the journal entry for the new bill will be BR account debit, bills receivable account debit to Y. And the amount of new bill will be 40,000 of the old bill, 200 noting charges and 1200 interest. जो नया bill बनेगा, the amount will be 40,000 and 1400. It will be 41,400. So this will be the journal entry. So first we have look at these journal entries. Y to sale, जब goods बेचे. Then the bill was drawn. Then the bill was discounted with the bank. Then the bill got dishonored. Y to bank 40,200. Then the journal entry for interest. Y account debit to interest 1200. And then the journal entry for the new bill drawn. BR debit to Y 41,400. So this is a very important question which can come for 6 marks. ऐसे क्वेश्चन मोस्टली आते हैं, so this is an important question. Please look out at these types of question carefully. So now tell me, is it clear to everyone? Is this question clear to everyone? Yes or no? भावेश, डिसऑनर के टाइम पे क्या करोगे? सपोज आपने कोई बिल डिस्काउंट कराया था बैंक से, आपने मेरे ऊपर बिल ड्रॉ किया था. यू हैव ड्रॉन अ बिल ऑन मी एंड यू हैव डिस्काउंटेड दैट बिल विद द बैंक. तो आपने बैंक को ये बोला होगा भावेश कि शीतल मैम विल मेक यू पेमेंट आफ्टर 3 months. तो बैंक ने बोला ठीक है, शीतल आके पैसे दे देगी, दैट्स ओके, आप अभी पैसे ले जाओ. बैंक ने आपको पैसे दे दिए on the condition that Sheetal will make the payment on due date, and if Sheetal make default, then Bhavesh you have to pay the money. तो बैंक ने ये कंडीशन पहले ही रखती होगी कि अगर शीतल पैसे नहीं देगी तो आपको पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. नाउ ड्यू डेट पे क्या हुआ? शीतल ने पैसे नहीं दिए बैंक को, शीतल ने बैंक को पैसे नहीं दिए. तो बैंक को कौन पैसे देगा? बैंक को आप पैसे दोगे, और आप पैसे दोगे तो आप क्या करोगे? बैंक को क्रेडिट करोगे. यू विल क्रेडिट बैंक बिकॉज आप पैसे दोगे, बैंक बैलेंस कम होगा, सो बैंक बैलेंस डिक्रीजेस, डिक्रीज इन एसेट क्रेडिट. आपने बैंक को पैसे दिए, आपने बैंक को क्रेडिट कर दिया. अब आप क्या करोगे? ये पैसे जो आपने दिए हैं वो मुझे देने थे. I had to pay that money to the bank. So now you will take that money from me. मैंने बैंक को तो नहीं दिए, लेकिन मुझे आपको तो देने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि मैंने आपसे गुड्स खरीदे हैं. So you will debit me. आप मुझे डेबिट करोगे because now I am your debtor. आपको मुझसे पैसे लेने हैं. तो शीतल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. आपने मुझसे 40,000 गुड्स जो मैंने खरीदे थे वो तो लेने ही है, लेकिन मेरे वजह से आपको एक्स्ट्रा नोटिंग चार्जेस पे करने पड़े, तो आप ये भी मुझसे लोगे. तो शीतल अकाउंट डेबिट बिकॉज आई एम योर डेटर, डेटर अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक बिकॉज यू हैव मेड द पेमेंट टू बैंक. ओके भावेश, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? Okay, so now coming on to the question number 3. अब चलते हैं question number 3 पर. Just give me a minute, guys. Yeah. So question number 3. The question is, on 14th of February 2015, Rashmi sold goods worth rupees 7,500 to Alka. Rashmi sold goods to Alka. Alka paid 500 in cash and for the balance accepted a bill of exchange drawn upon her by Rashmi payable after 2 months. So first, on 14th February, on Valentine Day, Rashmi sold goods to Alka. So journal entry will be Alka account debit to sales account, and journal entry in the books of Alka will be purchases account debit to Rashmi account. Purchases account debit to Rashmi account. Then Alka paid 500 in cash. So she received 500 cash. Cash debit, BR debit to Alka. The amount was 7,500. In return of 7,500, she is receiving 500 cash. 500 was received in cash and remaining 6,500 the bill was drawn. So आप अलग entry भी pass कर सकते हो. If you want, you can pass separate entries also, but you can pass combined entry also. So cash account debit, BR account debit to Alka, and the journal entry in the books of Alka will be Rashmi account debit 7,500, for which she has paid in cash 500, and for remaining amount she accepted a BP, bills payable. How much it will be? 7,000. Na? I have written the amount wrong here. So BR BP will be of 7,000. तो रश्मि ने अलका को गुड्स बेचे, in return of which she has received 500 in cash, and for the balance the bill was drawn, and the bill is drawn for 2 months. So 14th February plus 2 months, 14th April, and in this you will add 3 days of grace. So the due date will be 17th April. The bill is drawn on 14th of February for 2 months. So the due date will be 17th of April. क्या होगी due date? 17th of April. On 10th of April, Alka approached Rashmi to cancel the bill since she was short of funds. before the due date is 17th of April. So उससे पहले अलका गई रश्मि के पास. She said that I don't have enough money, please cancel this bill. So bill cancel means the bill is dishonored. Bill cancel मतलब bill dishonor हो गया पहला वाला. So on 10th of April you will pass the dishonor entry. 10th of April को आप dishonor की entry pass करोगे, which will be BR to Alka in the books of Rashmi, and in the books of Alka the journal entry will be, sorry, just a minute. They have not passed the journal entry for cancellation. So first you will cancel the bill, and the entry on 10th of April will be Alka account debit to BR. Alka account debit to BR. पहले आप लोग क्या करोगे? Before drawing the new bill, cancellation means the old bill will get dishonored. So we have missed that entry. But you have to pass this journal entry, Alka account debit to BR. The amount is 7,000. The amount will be 7,000. You will cancel the old bill. You will pass the dishonor entry. And same in the books of Alka. In the books of Alka also you will pass the journal entry on April 10. Alka की books में हम लोग entry pass करेंगे. Bills payable account debit to Rashmi. Bills payable account debit to Rashmi 7,000. Cancellation of bill means you have to pass the journal entry of dishonor. पुराना वाला bill हमें cancel करना पड़ेगा by passing the dishonor entry or the reverse entry. Now further it is said that she further requested Rashmi to accept 2,000 in cash and draw a new bill for the balance including rupees 500 as interest. तो अलका ने रश्मि को रिक्वेस्ट करा कि receive 2,000 in cash and for the balance 5,000 draw a new bill including 500 as interest. So Alka is making the payment of 2,000. Alka ने 2,000 की payment कर दी. So the journal entry will be cash account debit to Alka. Cash account debit to Alka. How much amount is received? 2,000. Cash account debit to Alka. 2,000 is received, and you are also charging 500 as interest. You are also charging 500 as interest. So I am preparing this on a different sheet. So these are the books of Alka and these are the books of Rashmi. These are the books of Rashmi and these are the books of Alka. So on 10th April, the first bill was cancelled. The journal entry was Alka debit to BR and BP debit to Rashmi. All the transaction other than recording the are special. Yes. Other than cash. No, next generation. That is wrong. Hi Arzu. Hi Metro Manoj. So on 10th of April, the bill was cancelled on the request of Alka. So you will pass this journal entry, Alka to BR and BP to Rashmi. And the amount 2,000 was paid in cash. So Rashmi will receive the payment cash account debit to Rashmi. Cash account debit to Rashmi 2000 and 2000. And Alka made the payment. So entry will be Rashmi account debit to, Rashmi account debit to cash. Rashmi account debit to cash account 2000. तो अलका ने पेमेंट करी रश्मि को 2000 की. So in the books of Rashmi, the journal entry will be cash debit to Alka. In the books of Alka, the journal entry will be Rashmi to cash. And 500 interest will be charged. 500 interest will be charged. So entry will be Alka debit to interest 500. And in the books of Alka, the journal entry will be interest debit to Rashmi. Interest debit to Rashmi 500. And after the journal entry of interest, the new bill will be drawn. After the entry for interest, the new bill will be drawn. BR account debit to Alka. And the amount will be 5,000, the balance of the old bill, plus 500. So the new bill will be drawn for 5,500. The new bill will be drawn for 5,500. And in the books of Alka, the journal entry will be Rashmi account debit to BP. Rashmi account debit to BP. Then it is said in the question, the new bill was duly met by Alka on maturity. So after drawing the new bill, when you have drawn the bill, you will receive the payment. You will receive the payment on the due date, 13th of January, BP to cash. Alka is making the payment. Alka is making the payment of the new bill on the due date 13th of January. And this payment will be received by Rashmi. This payment will be received by Rashmi. Cash account debit to bill receivable 5,500. Cash account debit to bills receivable 5,500. All the transactions other than cash are recorded. No next generation gamer, all those transactions which you cannot record in any of the subsidiary book, those transactions are recorded only in journal proper. And you are writing the wrong thing. What is the entry for endorsement of bill? Endorsee account debit to bills receivable. Endorsee account debit to bills receivable in the books of drawer. So this was your solution, guys. I hope that this is now clear to everyone. Yes, Prachi, she is receiving interest because she is drawer. She will receive interest and drawee will pay interest. So that's it for today, guys. If you want more previous year sum on bills of exchange, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing all of these amazing benefits which will help you to score good marks. Interest will be credited in the books of Rashmi, Prachi, because for Rashmi that is income. If you are receiving something, that is your income, and income has credit balance. So in the books of Rashmi, the journal entry will be Alka account debit to interest, because that is income of Rashmi, so she will credit interest. So the actual price of this pro subscription for 1 month is 3,499, but right now we are providing you flat 20% discount, after which the cost will be only 2,799. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go and take your pro subscription right now at flat 20% discount by using my code SCPRO. and I would love to see you all in the Pro Subscription. False, it will be false. Mahek, no song today because we have already completed the time. So for upcoming notes and session, go and subscribe our channel Vedantu Commerce, and also do like this video. And you can also join our official Telegram group Vedantu Commerce for the notes in the PDF session. The link is given in the description box below. So जल्दी से जाइए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अगर आपको ऐसी और वीडियोस देखनी है. And this is your math schedule. You will be having your maths classes on alternate day at 11 a.m. So now see you all in the next session tomorrow with the most important chapter, final account or financial statement. तो कल मिलते हैं सबसे जरूरी चैप्टर के साथ. लाइबिलिटीज पे पर्सनल अकाउंट का ही रूल एप्लीकेबल होगा ना? यस, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. Karan, thank you so much. So thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed this session. So please do give it a big thumbs up. And now see you all tomorrow at 4 p.m. with the most important chapter, final account or financial statement. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Bye everyone.